Hello and welcome to Learn Moodle Basics. This is the Week 2 tutorial. I'm going to be answering the question, how can I help my learners learn? In the Week 2 section, there is a book of the same name and it contains videos, text and links to help you add learning materials for your students. When you turn on the editing in your course, you'll see each section has a link, Add an activity or resource, which takes you to Moodle's Activity Chooser. So it's important that we understand what Moodle means by resources and activities. It's important also that we think about how we teach and how we want our students to learn. Perhaps you see yourself more as a presenter, delivering knowledge to your learners who will read, watch or listen to what you give them. Perhaps then you want to share presentations or word process documents, or perhaps you have videos or podcasts, or you want them to read information and access useful websites. If that is you, then explore the resources in the Activity Chooser. Resources may be used in a variety of ways. For example, if you want to show your PowerPoint and Word documents, look at the File or Folder resource. Or if you want them to read information, mainly text, look at the Page or Book resource. On the other hand, perhaps you see yourself more as a facilitator, guiding your students to be more independent and engaged with their learning. Perhaps you want your students to work and learn together, give you feedback and reflect on their progress. Perhaps you want to use Moodle for assessing and grading your learners. If this is you, then explore the activities in the Activity Chooser. Again, there are a variety of ways to do what you want. Here are just a few examples. For getting your class to work and learn together, you could use a wiki or a glossary. For getting your class to direct and feedback on their learning, use choice or, of course, the feedback activity. If you want your learners to reflect, they could use the blog accessed from their profile or the pre-made questions of Moodle's survey. If you want to assess in Moodle, create an assignment or set a quiz. However, next week we're going to look at the Moodle gradebook, so let's leave quiz and assignment to one side for now. Hopefully you have a better understanding of what activities and resources are now and how Moodle can help you and your learners. So during this week, please add at least 3 activities or resources from the book into your practice course. And if you wish again, you are welcome to join us in our optional live Big Blue Button session. See you soon.